Hi, today we're installing a new quantum fuel pump for Volvo Penta 5.7. Keep watching. We disconnect the fuel line. I disconnected the small hose on top, disconnected the wire cables, and now we're going to disconnect the fuel lines from the high and low pressure pump. The one from the high pressure pump, the line is bigger than the low pressure pump, so it's easier not to get confused. I'm disconnecting the water cooling hoses. I remove from the engine because it's easier to remove the hose. I'm removing the 4 holding bolts. They are 14 millimeter. You need a close or open wrench to remove the 2 top ones, and the 2 bottom ones here, they are easier to remove with a box and socket. Okay. So the pump has been disconnected from the saddle. Only one hose left to remove the little clip, and then we'll be done. So now I'm putting the new pump in. I left the protection so no dirt is coming down in the pump. I installed the old connection on it, so it's ready to go in. So now the new quantum fuel pump is in. We just need to connect the main supply gasoline hose, the cooling water hose, finish connecting the water cooling hoses. Some are a little bit more difficult to get to the clip, but we managed. Then there's only 3 left. The outlet cooling water from the top of the pump, and the low and high pressure gas connection. So now all the hoses are connected. Now we're connecting the power cable for the pumps. Need to secure the clip with the clip. And then the last one here. I'll put a little bit of grease, electrical grease, in the connection, because the old one had a little bit of dirt in it, or corrosion. That's it. The only thing I miss is a tie wrap to tie up back my cables, and we'll be in business. Before you start, you need to fill up your fuel filter, and then you need at least 10 times with your ignition key. Start and stop to fill up the whole system, and then you can start. That's it. I wish you a good luck to installing your quantum fuel system, and it's quite easy to do. It took me about 45 minutes, and I'm a beginner in that, so it's very easy and it's a perfect fit. Thank you. So after 10 time turning the key on and off, engine started like new, no leaks. I'm just gonna need to test run the engine later on, but I'm very happy with the Penta fuel pump. Thank you very much.